What's up, guys? Phil's Jackson here. This is the early morning prep for the Premium Tier Futures Discord group. Uh, you can find me at Phil's Jackson on X or at Premium FTS. And I'm just looking at the market profile. I obviously it's very, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. When I shot this video, it was still like 5:30 in the morning or so, or just after the open, maybe 6. And I was just looking at the prints here on the volume profile. This section in here is the pre-market. So let me just mark it, mark the pre-market. That's this section right in here. That's the pre-market. This is the NYSE open, and I'm just kind of typing that out. So I see this big notch out of this point in this P-shaped profile. It's a bullish profile, but it also suggests that if we do dip, the dips should get bought. There's another low volume node right in here. So this area should likely fill in. I just did another video on the footprint chart when those two moves happened. So what you have here is this kind of pointed ledge. The general thinking is whichever way price breaks on the ledge is the way that you want to play it. So this is your pre-market levels again. This blue P-shaped profile, that's the volume profile, and the one with the colors is the TPO is the market profile. And I'm just kind of highlighting that that's a P shape. So I want to see, you know, I want to see that hole get filled right there. It looks like a little shark's mouth. I want to see that little hole get filled at some point during the day. So those are just possible targets I could hit on a short at any time. And I'm just filling in here. What does that say? Oh, that's a target. Mark that with an X. I think we should be getting close to wrapping this up here. Just wanted to show you my take on the market before it opened and how I use the volume profile. This is inside Jigsaw Daytrader, which is a fantastic program, order flow program. I really love it. Their market profile is better than anything I've used. I know there's other types of software out there, but I really am getting comfortable with this one, and I just find it to have so much data and information. I just love it. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I'm going to do a follow-up video on the footprints and some of the short plays, and well, actually a long play as well that I took using this setup. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. Feel free to hit me up in the comments. There should be a link to our Discord. If it's broken or needs to be updated, just hit me up, send me a request, and you're welcome to join us. For all you market profile traders out there, you can find me on X at Phil's Jackson, or find us on the at Premium Tier Futures, which is at Premium FTS on X. And happy trading out there. Stay safe, stay green, and I will catch you on the next one.